So guys, this is the 389 room. This is the ground floor. You got some storage here, which I'll show you a bit later. But this is the ground floor. As you can see, there is a washroom. So we have a microwave, a fridge, some space, and that's me. So we have a TV, a table, a sofa come bed, by the way, a little seating area, and this is a balcony. So you know what? The magic is right up there. Yes, it's there. That's the washroom, that's the room. You got to go from here. So let's go up. So we have reached up. To the right is the bedroom with its private balcony, guys. That's the private balcony. That's the room. The bed is not too big, but good enough. So you have a safe. Come on, open. And that's the storage. That's actually nothing. That's a sofa to sit on. Here you can keep your luggage or you can sit. That's to keep a tab on your weight. And that's the mirror. And this is the amazing washroom. Yes, that's the view of it. So this is what you get. Here you go, guys. That's the washroom. It's pretty neat, very clean. I don't see any dirt or such anywhere. And this is everything you need, which is necessary, is provided over here. There's nothing, hair dryer, body lotion, hand wash, everything is in this room. What an amazing, amazing room, guys. Oh, we'll see the hotel also. And by the way, there's one more TV for the first floor.